I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a step tutorial. I'm going to teach syncopated wings. I'm sure there is another word for these, but I call them syncopated wings. It's like a syncopated pullback where you like separate the feet. So we're going to be doing a wing with separated feet. So instead of making 1, 2, 3 sounds, we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds. We're basically doubling the number of sounds. So maybe some people call these double wings, but I call double wings like the da-da-da-da-da wing, which we'll talk about in another video. But anyway, syncopated wings is what I'm teaching today. If you have never done a wing before, this is not the video for you. So you want to go to my wings video. Don't start with syncopated, start with just wings. So I have a wings step tutorial that's in the playlist down below, so make sure you check that out first. Learn wings. This video is for people who have, I don't want to say mastered wings, but have a good grasp on them to the point where, okay, I have regular wings, now I can change it up a little bit. So a syncopated wing, instead of doing just plie, brush out with both feet, brush back with both feet, and land, what a syncopated wing does is separates the feet so that they go one at a time. So there is still brushing with both feet, spanking with both feet, and landing with both feet, but you do them at separate times. And it sounds way more complicated than it really is. Like when you hear it, you're like, whoa, how did you make 6 sounds? But honestly, all you do is just make your right foot go a little earlier than your left foot. The technique doesn't change. The technique is still exactly the same. Your feet do exactly what they would do if they were going together, just at different times. So we don't want to like panic about, oh no, but what do I do with my feet? You know what to do with your feet. If you know how to do a wing, you already know how to do this. You just need to let your feet operate on their own, and that could be tricky. That could be tricky if you're not used to that. So what I want you guys to do is just start like with a wing practice, just that little. That's all. Just brush, spank, step, brush, spank, step. Make sure you're starting from a plie and ending with a plie. And then try the other foot. Brush. That kind of gets it into your muscles to work independently. We're not doing them together right now. You're just doing your right foot. Hello, Sayuri. And now you're just going to do your left foot. She was sneezing, so I thought I'd acknowledge. So your feet are going to do exactly what they just did. They're just going to be doing it independently from each other. So same prep as before, but this time kind of just delay your left foot before you wing and see what happens. Maybe it'll sound okay. Maybe it'll be a little weird the first time. That's okay. Just give it a shot. There's another thing that you can do. If you have something to hold on to, if you have like the corner in your kitchen, but if you have tile, don't tap on that because you're gonna ruin your tile. Like the corner of 2 counters in your kitchen, or if you're at a dance studio, put like the portable bar next to the regular bar so that you have some leverage. Just find some way to get some leverage so that you can kind of hold yourself up with your arms, and then you can practice brush, brush, spank, spank, step, step, because that's literally what's happening. Brush, brush, spank, spank, step, step. Brush, brush, spank, spank, step, step. It's really impossible for me to do this to show you with my feet because I can't like hover in the air. So I can only show it quickly. And every time I've tried to put slow motion on one of these videos, it doesn't work. It's like strobe effect, and that's just not good. So your feet are going brush, brush, spank, spank, land, land. I hope that went well. That was a left, man. I think that was okay. Let me do the right again. Brush, brush, spank, spank, land, land. Oh, it sounds much better on the right. I'm a righty. I'm still working on getting my left to be, just good. So, brush, brush, spank, spank, step, step. So you take this wing that you already know how to do, and all you do is make the second foot wait just a microsecond. So if you're going to do the left, it goes left, and then left, and then spank, and then spank, and then land, and then land. And like I said, I can't show that with my feet, so it'll go brush, brush, spank, spank, land, land. Okay? So let's just try a couple on the right together, and right or left, whichever one is your dominant foot, whichever one works better for you. So I'm gonna do the right, because I've already proven that I don't really like my left right now. So brush, brush, spank, spank, step, step. Just let's do one, and then I'll count you in again, and then we'll do another one, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So we're gonna plie on 8, go on 1. Ready? 5, 6, 7, plie 8. Whew, that sounds nice. One more time. 5, 6, 7, plie 8. Awesome. Now try your awkward side. I'll do my awkward side again. Let's do the awkward side on film forever. It's gonna be on YouTube forever. I can do this. I can do this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was way better. I love that. Okay. Have faith in yourself. If you learn anything from this video, learn it from right there. Have faith in yourself. I can do this, and then I did. All right, so one thing at a time. All you have to do is just delay your second foot. Make your right foot go first and your left foot go second, but the technique doesn't change. If I can insert a slow-mo, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. We'll see what happens in the editing process. But if I didn't, hopefully the hands helped. Brush, brush, spank, spank, land, land. All right? So hopefully this helped you guys learn Syncopated Wing today. It's a difficult one to teach on YouTube, I won't lie, but I wanted to put it in the step tutorial playlist because I am starting to put it in some of my technique or choreography tutorials. So I wanted to have this there for you guys. I hope it helps. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. One of these days y'all are gonna like have memorized this ending. But step tutorials like this, technique exercises, choreography, this is the kind of stuff that you'll find on this channel. It's all free and it's all for you. There's also vlogs, challenges, shoe reviews, lots of fun stuff on this channel. I'm just endeavoring to make a nice free tap dance studio right here on YouTube for you guys to enjoy. I started it during the quarantine era, but I mean, why not keep it going? I'm having the time of my life being your teacher, so thank you so much for everything. And I'll end the video the way I always do. As always, thank you for dancing with me.